Hello everyone! Welcome to Shruthi Speaks. In today's video, we'll learn A to Z animal names in a fun and easy way. Let's get started! Hello everyone! Let's learn. A is for alligator. Chomp chomp! Great job! Bye-bye!
Look at this big letter B. B is for bear.
Welcome to our ABCs, and today, the letter C is for cat. Look at this cute little kitty. Can you say cat?
The letter D makes the D sound. D is for a playful, happy dog.
Hello everyone! Let's learn. E is for elephant. Wow! Today we will learn about the letter F. F is a very special letter. F is for fox. See you next time. G is for giraffe. Look at this tall giraffe. Can you say giraffe? Great job! H is for horse. Let's say hello to our new horse friend. See you next time for more fun letters. Today we will learn about the letter I. Large letter I. I is for iguana. Can you say iguana too?
The letter J is for jaguar. Can you say jaguar?
Let us learn about the letter K. K is for this bouncy kangaroo. See the cute little baby Joey too. Can you say kangaroo? Hello! L is for lion. Roar! Great job! Today we will learn about the letter M. Oh look! A little friend is swinging by. He hello to all of you. And I have a nice yellow banana for him. So remember that M is for monkey. Hello! Let's learn the letter N. N. N is for newt. Welcome to our fun alphabet class. The letter O is for owl. Owls can see in the dark. Today, let's learn about the letter P. P is for a big furry panda. Hello everyone! Let's learn about the letter Q. Q is for quail. This is a cute little quail. Can you say quail? Great job! Hello everyone! Today, let us look at the letter R. R is for rabbit. S is for snake. It goes like this. Shh, shh, shh. See you soon! Today we will learn about the letter T. T is for tiger. Can you say tiger too? Let's learn the letter U. U is for Uriel. Can you say Uriel? Today we are learning about the letter V. Look at that, it's a friendly vulture sitting on a branch. V is for vulture. Can you say vulture with me? W is for wolf. Can you hear it howl? X is for X-ray tetra. These fish have see-through bodies. Can you see their bones? Hello everyone! This is the letter Y. Y is for yak. Can you say yak? Hello everyone! Today we will learn about the letter Z. Z is for zebra. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shruthi Speaks for more educational videos. See you in the next one.